is a bit different. It's not some DIYs that I make that I usually make. This time is some cooking tips which this household usually make. So what do we need is this is I pre-marinated it already, so probably you guys like want to marinate it before. So for this time you could use any part of the chicken, but this time we'll use the wings. This is about 20 wings. And how do we make it? It's like we defrost them just like usual, and then put them in a like whatever bowl you have, and it's just 3 simple ingredients. I mean plus, of course, plus the chicken, right? We just need some vegetarian oyster sauce. You can use any brand, but I'm using the Lee Shung Hin brand. Like, can you see that? Alright, so this one we'll just use 3 tablespoons. If you think that 3 tablespoons is not enough, then you can add more until you get this kind of consistency. Can you see that? Can you see the consistency? And then soy sauce. Okay guys, so this is the last batch of the chicken that we fried, and this is the color that we want to achieve, dark brown. Can you see that? It's slightly burnt here, but it's okay. That's what we want to achieve. Hey y'all, so this is the sauce that we make for the chicken. You remember that the chicken that we marinated, there's some sauce on it, right? So this is the sauce. So we just shimmer it on the pot and drizzle them on top of the chicken wings. That's it. It's just that simple. Voila! These chicken are ready to be lifted up from the wok. Can you see that? Till the next video. Bye!